Hey guys, how you doing? Carl Howell here with Howell Brothers Lawn and Landscaping, premier commercial and residential landscape company. Howell Brothers is located in Gatesburg, Maryland, that treats every commercial property with the respect and care that it needs at competitive pricing. We offer residential landscaping. Our services vary from your weekly mowing service, landscape preparation and mulching, spring and fall cleanups, aeration and overseeding. Our commercial services are very similar, but we offer that to communities, HOAs, office buildings, and churches. One of the other popular services that we offer is hardscapes, anything from a brick or stone patio, walkway, or outdoor living space. Other landscaping services we offer are complete design and installation that will modernize your landscaping. Outdoor kitchens, lounge areas, there are so many unique ideas that we can offer to you. Our commercial snow plowing is top notch. We offer it to office buildings, churches, and other commercial properties. If there's anything we can do to help you with your services, please let us know. We can be reached at howbrothers.com or at 301-926-4481. Thanks.